it's kind of a funny story, but okay, hang on, let me just explain this to you. I'm exhausted from the scent of exhaust, and I'm tired of tires inside of my ride. All of these things seem so minor. I'm walking on a path, the signs to know where to go. Check your mirrors, dog, you'll see me on the side of the road. Cars pass me fast, they laugh past. The sun lingers 3 more past my ass, then that thumb turns to a middle finger. I look approachable, don't I? Don't lie, I won't cry, cause none of these vehicles will stop for no guy. And that's the reason that I tried to believing that in God with any feeling wouldn't have been so unappealing. There wouldn't be so many wars and scorched foes. There wouldn't be so many whores and bad clothes. There wouldn't be so many reasons to be pissed off and cold. And I wouldn't be on the side of the road. I wouldn't be on the side of the road. I wouldn't be on the side of the road. I wouldn't be on the side of the road. I can't take it anymore, I think I'm about to explode. I knew this girl named Alibaba, lesbian, she was my transportation, yes, but she was also my best of friends. When she stopped moving, man, I almost cried. You treat your friends bad, they go away, but that doesn't mean they fucking die. So now I'm stalking the sidewalks and lonely talking, caught in my own thoughts, only hearing my slippers flopping. Talking to yourself is insanity, concentration, but me speaking to me, man, well, that's a one-sided conversation. I start racing these cars, but they're all winning. Some grandma actually passes me, mirror check, yep, she's grinning. I want a station, a location to start sitting, cause walking on this asphalt is incredibly unforgiving. I look up to God and ask him for a place to go. No reply yet, I'm assuming that he isn't home. And this waiting's getting old. He isn't there cause I wouldn't be on the side of the road. I wouldn't be on the side of the road. I wouldn't be on the side of the road. I wouldn't be on the side of the road. I can't take it anymore, I think I'm about to explode.